Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Windows updates are applied and you have administrator rights, because driver installs modify system files. Once done, open the Nvidia control panel from the desktop menu or start search. This is faster than browsing Device Manager. Make sure other GPU utilities are closed so they won't interfere. You should note the current driver version shown in the Help or System Information area. That helps you confirm success after updating. Now proceed to the driver update controls inside the panel. Once inside, go to Help then System Information and write down your exact GPU model and driver number because accuracy matters when downloading. Next, open GeForce Experience if installed. It automates detection, or manually visit Nvidia driver selector and pick Game Ready or Studio based on your need. After choosing the correct OS and GPU, start the download. Save the installer to your local drive. If you pick Custom Install, you'll be able to do a clean install, which removes old driver remnants. Run the downloaded installer as administrator and follow prompts. Express is quick, clean removes prior driver traces, and is safer when troubleshooting. Allow the installer to complete and restart your PC when prompted, because many components initialize only after reboot. After boot, open Nvidia Control Panel and verify the driver version under System Information. Test a graphics task or game to confirm stability. If you encounter display issues or crashes, roll back the driver in Device Manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.